Hey there, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me earlier and requesting this free video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you guys can start applying right away that's going to help you guys online and to generate more organic leads. It is important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads come from your website, so it is really critical your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. Okay, so we're on your website. You have a secured website, which is good. You got the click to calls right on top, making it super easy for your customers to reach you, which is good. It looks like your corporate office did a really good job on the appearance of your website. Now, here's the issue. So, one of the issues. So you guys have multiple service locations. What your corporate office has done is created a separate page for every single one of these locations, which is actually doing you guys a huge disservice because they have to optimize every single one of these pages and rank those pages. And what they've done is they've taken their main site and they've duplicated it and just have separate URLs, different slugs up here. And I know they're going after the keyword for that area. I get why they wanted to do that, but it's actually hurting the company itself because you cannot have duplicated content. Google knows when the content on your website is taken from other websites or duplicated from other websites, and they penalize you for it. So all of these websites are not ranking and not showing up the way that they should be because of that. Every single page on your sites have to have their own original content. It cannot be duplicated. It cannot be duplicated from your page to page. It also cannot be duplicated from website to website. The other major issue all of these sites have in common, because they are all duplicated, is the fact that you're only focused on national keywords, not local. And so since you guys are not in every state in all the major cities, that doesn't help you. You have to have your page focus on your local area that you're servicing, because when you try and rank for national keywords or something near me, which is, even though it's near me, it's still a national keyword. When you try to rank for those type of keywords, you get people from all over the country landing on your website. It gives you false metrics. They're people that you're never going to convert into customers. And the whole purpose of this website is to convert them into customers. So you're not able to do that with national keywords. You have to focus on local. Most people, when they're searching, don't know the name of the company. They just know the service that they need. So you need more focus on local buyer intent keywords than you do on branding or national keywords. Google ranks websites based on content, so you do need a ton of content, and you guys don't have nearly enough. So your home page should have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words of content or more, depending on what your competitors are doing. If your competitors have more content, you're going to need more than they have. So your home page should be a summary of each of your services, focused around specific keywords for your area. So you're in Seattle, yours should be based on Seattle. And then if you're servicing multiple areas, multiple cities that have any search volume for your services also need their own page. That's what's going to help you be found locally in each of the communities that you service online. But again, all of the pages have to have their own unique original content, photos, and keywords. Do not use the same keywords on multiple pages, and do not use the same content. So that is the biggest issue that I'm seeing. If you want to take a quick look, Here's your Seattle page. This is your Los Angeles page. And your San Diego page. They're all exactly identical, exact information. The only thing that's been switched out is your location and phone numbers. So it's really important as a corporation that they go and revamp all of these sites so that you guys can actually get the traffic that you guys should be getting. Now, your number one competitor in Seattle is MIT. Mold inspection and testing, but you're not competing against the entire national website, just this one page in Seattle. They have separate pages for their services and separate pages for their locations. As you can see here, they're going after local buyer intent keywords. So they're actually being indexed and ranking higher for a lot of the keywords that you guys should actually be ranking for. And that's what's getting in the way of driving that organic traffic. So it's going to be really important that you have more content than these guys and really focus on your content and keyword strategy, making sure everything is unique, as I mentioned earlier. Make it as easy as possible for your customers to get a hold of you. And then support your website with SEO. Now, again, the corporation could put it all together on one website and wouldn't have to do as much work. But your specific site has a rating of a 10 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't too bad. This score is based 100% on your backlinks and referring domains. Not all are created equal. You do need a lot of these, but not all are created equal. This is like a popularity contest in Google. So the more relevant those links are, the more authority it's going to give you, the more it's going to help you to rank. And you need to make sure these are do follows. And understand that not all backlinks are created equal, and that you only get credit for one backlink per referring domain. So a referring domain is any website that provides your website with a link from their website to your website, and that backlink is that physical link coming from this website. The whole purpose is to drive traffic. If we look, you only have 25 that are do follows. So you only have 25 relevant backlinks doing anything to help your website. You have been indexed for 184 keywords, but you're only getting 65 people to your website. So you're missing out on a ton of potential customers. Looking at your keywords real quick, you do have a few keywords on the home page, and these are good keywords. But we just need to push them a little bit harder because you should be getting a lot more traffic. With 700 potential volume, even if you got 10% of that, the max you would get is about 33%, but you should at least be getting 70 people a month. You're getting 17. So you definitely need to work on ranking those relevant keywords and the content and keyword strategy. If we look at MIT, we're only focused on this one page that you're competing against. They have a 14 with only 49 backlinks and 11 referring domains. Of those, only 3 are do follow. So you only have to beat their 3 do follow referring domains in quantity as well as quality. But they've been indexed with 31 keywords just for this one specific page, and this one page is getting almost the same amount of traffic as your entire website. So these guys are going to be super easy to beat, but you do have to work on those strategies. And the last part of this is this Google Maps section here, or Google My Business page. So your goal should be to be in this top 3 section, because 30% of people search here and don't search outside of the map. So when you don't get listed here, you send all those leads to your competition. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are your citations, and that's the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. You will need a bunch more of those than your competition, but if you follow each of these tips I have provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number one across Google in all of your service areas for each of your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really like to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.